So as every car guy knows, parts delivery day is the best day of the week, and today we have not one, not two, but 3 big packages from the guys over at Darkside today to go on the Q7. And we're gonna start by doing arguably the most fun mod that any car guy loves to do, and that is an overland exhaust for the Q7. We're gonna go ahead and unbox it because this bad boy is not only gonna make the Q7 sound a lot better, but we're actually gonna get more ground clearance for when we're doing those really hardcore river crossings that we do have all over BC here. Outside these doors, and I'll show you now, is my 2014 Q7 TDI overland build, and we're spending lots of money on it. Let me throw you guys on the tripod and actually put a hoodie on because it's like -2 in here, and pull the exhaust out of this box here, and let's look at this sweet ass build we're about to throw on the Q7. Beautiful thing about shipping from Darkside is it literally took, I'm pretty sure not even 48 hours to get to Canada from the UK. So if you guys are looking to get anything from them, their shipping is friggin' amazing. It's actually quite a lot lighter than I expected, but essentially is this bad boy is gonna delete the rear muffler. And as you can see with this big bend on the back here, it's also gonna help clear the body lift that we have on the Q7. And look at the welds on this thing. Like, damn, every single weld is so nice. Like, the quality is just completely unmatched on Darkside stuff. Like, look at that. Damn, really nice. Let's get all the cardboard off here really quick and I'll show you guys the tips and stuff. Or not really the tips, but you know what I mean. All the ends and the hangers and stuff. So there's the whole thing. It's pretty sweet. Got our hangers and everything on one end. Now it doesn't come with any tips because the tips on the Q7 and the Touareg, because this fits both, are removable, and so we're gonna be reusing them. We're gonna be able to angle them and move them around just kind of how we want. There's a look at those welds again. So nice. Like, damn. But anyways, let's throw this guy in the car, do some before and after clips. It should be a pretty easy install. I'm pretty sure you're gonna need a Sawzall or something to cut the exhaust where it meets just behind the rear axles. So I'll show you guys what you need, but let's throw this on the Q7 and see what it sounds like, while obviously getting some before and after clips too. Okay, so here is what the Q7 sounds like with the factory exhaust still on here. Fully deleted, cat removal, no DPF, and it has the Darkside resonator add-in that comes with the SCR delete kit as well. So all that's going to be on here is the resonator from Darkside and the stock muffler from the Q7. So this is what it sounds like. Got the microphone mounted right here. We're gonna go for a little drive and see if we can get some stock sound out of the exhaust. All right, so we kind of waited for the daytime because it was very dark out, but this is going to be one of the easiest installs, and I say that pretty much every time we do anything on any of the cars because it's likely that it may not be easy. But we've got, as you can see over here with the yellow mark, we've got what we're gonna cut, and then it's just as simple as undoing the exhaust tips on either side here, and then we throw it in on the factory hangers and call it a day. So, and we've got some direct help from Darkside today.
Yeah. I'm John Dark of Darkside.
First thing we're gonna do is Sawzall this this John out, and then we will also need to get the hangers out. So Jacob, if you wouldn't mind getting that, I believe it's a 13 mil. Muchas gracias, pendejo. And then while Jacob does that, me and Mr. John Dark are gonna cut the exhaust up here. So
is this thing on?
Do you want to cut it or do you want me to cut it?
You can cut it.
Okay.
Fucking.
As you can tell, we're professionals. Fuck off. Damn, that's a pretty freaking good blade. Jesus.
That'll do it. 3 in 1.
As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, you can just do this by hand in your driveway, like a real boy. Now we fit in with the American folk with their F350s. There's one on that side because I couldn't have 2 in there after I did my body lift because it physically wouldn't fit. There should technically be 2. Thanks, Bubba.
No, it sounds good.
Ah! Okay, you're good. I didn't know it was gonna come out. You're fine. Okay, let it go. And that thing is like 50 pounds. Holy, okay. Let me get this one. Oh my God. Nice. Now, naturally, with any exhaust modification, we have to see what it sounds like fully straight piped. Go ahead and slap that guy there.
Sounds like a golf. Hey, it just sounds like a golf after. What's Eric here?
She sounds mint. Okay, so now we have to get the clamps off here. So these guys, and then also this.
He's gaming.
Or yes. One exhaust tip. I'm a bit of a professional.
So you're almost there. And she's off.
Nice. 2 tips. Ha ha ha. But now, make sure we cut this at the right spot. These fancy ass TIG welds. Look at those bad boys.
Ooh. That's well done.
Spicy.
That's Darkside.
That's the dark side of the build. Okay, I just want to see before I. Holy shit, that's
Oh
kind
my
of.
goodness.
I have a feeling that exhaust clamp down there ain't very tight, hey?
It's okay, just let it drag.
Yeah, I have a feeling these are a little bit too long.
Hey MTV, welcome to
Sure,
Jacob's
and a big
Tool
one too
Crib.
if you got one.
That's how you do it. Bad.
Stick it in the end? No.
Just yank it off. Wow, that was easier than the other one. You just yanked it off? What the fuck?
What, did you get it?
You just yanked it off with his hands.
Nice. Boys, I feel like after this we need to have 8 million beers. You know what I mean? Dude,
What?
really?
10 million beers.
Like, holy. I feel like I may have cut it too far back. Oopsie poopsie. Okay, hold on. Before I tighten everything up, let's give the tips an attempt at a test fit. Oh my. Welcome to fucking Audi, where we tack weld the clamps to the pipe. What the heck? That makes sense.
So you don't lose it? Ever?
I guess so.
That is a tight fit.
I don't think that's gonna fit on there if I'm completely honest.
No, won't.
Bollocks.
It's easier if you do this.
No. Okay, so we need to take these off, number 1. Yeah. Where's the Sawzall? Now, we're doing things the forward way. We're getting a little sketchy.
Yeah.
Dude, I'm so smart.
1 clamp, detacked.
It's not gonna fit in there, is it?
No, it's
Same size.
It's okay, we love you, Darkside.
We need the iron tractor where they shove the metal ball.
The what?
The molten ball.
Oh my
You
god.
want to do molten ball videos in an Audi?
Can you microwave this? Dude, that was a classic channel.
Can you microwave a Q7?
Okay, so this is this side. Oh, it's so close. Okay.
It's holding.
Yeah, so this might work. So, do you have a hammer? Or mallet. You need a mallet. Nah, I think that's good, you know, a little downturn exhaust. What do you guys think? It's fucking dumb.
You know it's serious, the hat's come off. The waves are showing.
The flow
The flow
has
is
been
there.
unleashed.
Most difficult shot to get.
Hey, that works. A basic understanding of physics is required to work on an Audi. Not the WD-40, the George W. Bush.
Where's George H.R.W. Bush Light?
Bush Light.
Bush Light.
The sponsor of today's video is Bush Light.
Do you like beer, but like not full-on beer.
Drink Bush.
Drink Bush Light.
Are we measuring? Absolutely not. Are we just gonna cut? Yes. Today, Junior.
That thing's smoking.
Yeah, it's getting hot. Yeah. Ow! That was hot. That's hot.
WorkSafe BC wants to know your location.
Owie, my fingers hurt. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And just bend those edges in.
Now that's a professional job.
As you can tell, you see where my finger isn't like fully black anymore? That's all burnt. Ow. You kiss it better. Why is it smoking?
Because that's the WD-40 being melted off. Oh, it should probably form with it being...
Oh.
Dude.
Uh-oh.
It's okay. Now let me get this guy back on there.
I don't know, maybe hitting it with the bandsaw. That'll do it.
That'll do, donkey. Man, that'll do. All right, should we see what it sounds like?
I love Carhartt. I love Carhartt. I love Carhartt. He loves Carhartt.
We love Carhartt.
We love Carhartt here.
Hey, Peter.
We're a Carhartt family.
So there you guys go. The Darkside Overland exhaust is installed on the Q7 finally, but it's been on for actually a couple days now and I've driven around with it a little bit and honestly, it's not too bad. The main thing obviously we're gonna have to test out when the time comes is having this additional ground clearance because as you see, we have to have the large step up in the exhaust now to help accommodate for the body lift that is in the car. But as you guys saw, it does sound pretty sweet compared to what it was factory. Like I said, on the highway, it's actually not horrible unless you like absolutely get on it. Like there's no real drone. I do have the SCR resonator that Darkside supplies, which I will also put a link to in the description. So I don't technically have a fully straight piped Q7 at this point. I do still have that one resonator that Darkside sent over for that pipe right before where the muffler is in the back. But yeah, it's not horrible. I'm excited excited to give this a test off-road to see if this actually helps with the clearance. The next lowest thing, obviously, at this point is my my hitch, and then also the rear valence of the Q7. So we'll see what we destroy first. But that will do it for today's video, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoyed. If you do want to pick up one of the Overland exhausts from Darkside, I will have it linked in the description. Shout out again to Darkside for helping support the channel as usual. But that will do it for today's video, ladies and gentlemen. Peace out. I will see you in the next video.